Hey guys, Atiq here from PTE Study Center Sydney, bringing you 79 seconds for 79 plus. Now guys, today's lesson is in speaking. More importantly, it's about your modulation of speech rate when you come to speak. Now, if you are at a public speaking scenario or be it in an academic speaking scenario, the idea is not for you to let your content dictate your speech rate, but rather you have to maintain your natural speaking speed. Now, taking this lesson back into PTE, what we essentially have to do for speaking tasks such as written lecture is that not to let your content dictate your speed. Now, let's say the idea is for you to speak for about 35 to 37 seconds for a written lecture, but that does not necessarily mean that if you have less content, you have to slow yourself down, or if you have more content, you have to speak faster. Because let's say if you start speeding up and if you modulate your speech rate, what may essentially happen is that you may lose marks for content which is being contributed towards your listening section. What you essentially have to do is make sure that you take care of the language part and communicate properly with your natural speed rate. So this is Atiq again. Hopefully this helped you out. See you next time.